Today I'm going to show you a few of the dashboards built into SalesPath Plus. Go to your opportunity dashboard and you'll see a current list of your opportunities, their current stage, and the next stage. You can filter the opportunities by all sorts of parameters, including owned by me, owned by my team, on track, late, warning, and so on and so forth. This gives you a real bird's eye overview of your entire sales funnel. You also have a few more dashboards built into SalesPath Plus, including the Sales Op dashboard. Once there, you can see a few metrics that are currently built in, including average SalesPath stage duration, average stage duration versus expected, and opportunity status funnel. You can customize this however you wish. We also have the Sales Manager dashboard. In the Sales Manager dashboard, you can see a good overview of your entire sales funnel, including opportunities on track, opportunities with warnings, and then opportunities with overdue tasks. And those are your sales dashboards. Your sales dashboards are built right into SalesPath Plus for you to use right away.